was a regular golf addict, so I was playing 2 or 3 times a week, and then I noticed my mobility in my shoulder gradually decreasing, and the pain was getting more after each game, and going to the gym sort of became impossible. And it started with clicking sounds in my right shoulder, and then gradually deteriorated to the point where unable to get dressed in the morning properly without assistance. Through my doctor, got an MRI scan, and it was osteoarthritis and wear and tear on the right shoulder. So I was fortunate enough to be able to come and see Professor Singh.
So when I saw Kevin, we discussed the pros and cons of different options, including a keyhole surgery option or a shoulder replacement. We also discussed whether doing half a joint replacement would be good for him or a total shoulder replacement. And given his young age of 55, often surgeons in the past have done half a replacement. And what this means is that the socket or the glenoid continues to wear, and often patients will not gain full movements and have some residual pain. Hence, we decided to do a total shoulder replacement on him.
I felt very fortunate to have Professor Singh perform the operation, and all the way through he's been very helpful and reassuring. The anaesthetists come round and said they'd put a blocker in my neck so that would reduce the pain when I woke up, and that there was a chance I could go home that day if when I woke up I felt able to leave the hospital.
I've been pioneering a technique where patients are able to go home on the same day after the surgery. This does require a few things. Importantly, the patient who is suitable for this type of procedure, i.e. can go home, manage pain on his own and has got support at home. It also involves a multidisciplinary team approach from the hospital right from the pre-assessment.
And when I come round, I felt no pain at all. Didn't require any painkillers that day, and the next day I was surprised that I was pretty much pain-free. But all throughout the process I was given a timeline of my recovery, and it recovered faster than Sylvan thought it would, and he was impressed with the way the surgery was done to allow me to do that, and I was able to get a lot of mobility very quickly.